Have you ever wondered what the equivalent annual cost of your recent purchase is in terms of its present value? Well, if you have, then you're in luck because today I'm going to be teaching you how to do just that. Okay, so for this example, let's say, I don't know, maybe you own a small business and you need to buy a printer. And so you buy this printer for an initial cost of $900. Okay? And you'll plan on, let's say, keeping this printer for over the course of 5 years. At the end of these 5 years, you might want to have the newest model, so you'll want to get rid of your old printer and maybe sell it off at its residual value of $300. And of course, over these 5 years, you also have to make sure to pay ink cartridges and paper. So that's going to come out to approximately $50 a year. And we're also going to have a discount rate of 8% over these 5 years. So using this information, we can now create a cash flow diagram. So for the first year, we have our initial purchase of $900. Okay, and for our years 1 through 5, we'll have again our maintenance cost, which again is ink cartridges and paper. Okay. So on our 5th year, however, we'll still have a $50 maintenance cost, but we're also going to have a positive value of $300, which represents the residual value of the printer. Okay, so using this, we can now find the present value, which is equal to the future value multiplied by 1 over 1 plus I, which is your interest rate, which is 8% in this case, to the power of n, which is the number of periods. So for this problem, we do present value is equal to the initial purchase, 900, times 1 over 1 plus 8% to the power of 0, because that's your initial purchase. And then for the rest of the years, you include the maintenance cost, which is 50 times 1 divided by 1 plus the interest rate to the power of each of the respective years from 1 through 5. Okay, on the 5th year, however, we're going to have a positive $250 because we're selling the computer for $300 and subtract the maintenance is equal to $250. So solving this equals a present value of $895.46. With this, we can now find the annual worth, which is equal to the present value multiplied by the interest rate times 1 plus the interest rate to the power of n divided by 1 plus the interest rate to the power of n minus 1. So again, that's equal to negative $895.46 times the interest rate of 8% plus 1 plus 8% to the power of 5 for 5 years divided by 1 plus the interest rate again to the power of 5 minus 1. And solving this out gets you the annual cost of $224.27.